Oh no, I'm gonna be late for school again. Quickly changing my clothes, brushing my teeth, taking my coffee, and running. I can catch it this time. I'm gonna catch the bus this time. Oh no, I missed it. What kind of school has one bus every 30 minutes? Here's a little experiment we did. We took the bus from the dorm to Norris Hall, and then we did the same with the car, in order to compare the time that each one of them took. Most of Norris Hall students who lives at the dorm missed the bus once or twice. Of course, some of them missed the bus because they couldn't wake up in a decent hour, but others have missed the bus due to the bus schedule inflexibility. For example, if one of the students couldn't catch the bus for some reason, and he or she had an exam at that day, they're going to be super late waiting for the bus for 30 minutes to come back again and pick them up. Not only they are going to miss the exam, they'll be considered absent that day. Some of you would say let them rent a car or buy a car. It's not that simple. And let me tell you something about buses and cars. Let's start with the car negatives. First, it is much more expensive because you need to fill with gas every 1 to 2 weeks. Second, if the parking lot was full, you're going to be late for class until you find a spot outside, and usually you're going to pay for it. Third, it is slower by 4 minutes than taking the bus. And finally, imagine instead of 10 students driving 10 cars, all of those students will be in one bus. So the contribution to the air pollution will be less. As for the car benefit, it has much more flexible hours. On the other hand, the bus has only one negativity, which is its tight schedule. As for the benefits of taking the bus, it is faster by 4 whole minutes, and it will decrease the traffic jam. It is cheaper than driving a car, it costs only a few dollars, and it will solve the parking lot problem. So here is our proposition. We raise our voices to ask CAT to assign 2 buses to Norris Hall instead of 1. In that way, the schedule of the bus will be more flexible, so the bus can come every 15 minutes instead of 30. And in that case, a lot more students are going to consider riding the bus instead of taking the car. And if this happens, the traffic, parking, and the environment will be much better. So come on, raise your voice with us to a better SCAD.